Yeah, good. Okay, so good. So when does the ball land? Okay. Right. Okay. Something I guess. Okay. So one of the keywords. Second, please. One of the keywords is when. Definitely. Okay. So this is again when you're solving for t. Okay, so it says when does the ball land? It says when you're solving for x, t, or whatever the square term is. Okay, so depending on what the question was, okay, a lot of them will be timed to start off just to get you guys used to it. Okay. All right, y-intercept, this is something new, so I'm not going to pick on Spencer, but he can volunteer if he wants to. When would you ever in one of these questions be asked for the y-intercept? So let's use Noah's ball example. What would the y-intercept be when you're throwing a baseball? What would the y-intercept be? Want to try?
So when it's rising?
Sort of. Want to try?
When it's past the halfway point? And like
No, the halfway point of your vertex here. What would the y-intercept be? What's the x? Sorry, yeah, man?
When does it reach a certain point?
Yeah, sort of. Yeah, man?
Is it like when it changes from like positive to negative?
Positive and negative again is going to be your vertex here. So we think y-intercept is this value here, right? What I'm going to say for this one is, I'm going to say remember x or t equals 0, right? So this is going to be the keyword for this. This is your starting point. And that's something that's new here, okay? So let's say the question was, Mr. Sadler throws a football, it follows a path, y equals negative 5x squared plus 3x plus 2. The y-intercept would be the height of the ball when I use my hand. Okay, right? So it'd be like the starting value. Or let's say we say, yeah, or when the ball hits the bat or whatever, that's like the starting value, okay? Or it'd be like Spencer graduates from university to be a doctor, and he decides to throw his medical textbooks off the top of his house. What's the initial height? What's the starting value? I should probably also put on here, initial would be a good word that the textbook uses too. Now, I'm making a big deal about all these things because this is what trips people up in word problems is, like, you guys are all, excuse me, you guys are all excellent at the mathematical stuff, right? But it's just to get the idea of what the question's actually asking you to do, because that's what makes these tricky for people. Okay. Let's move on to example 1 here, and then we'll go from there. Example 1 is going to say, when Homer Simmons, stay with me here, hits a baseball. So his name's Homer because he's a baseball player. Its height, stay with me here. So this is a question, again, that scares people, and it shouldn't. Okay, you guys can handle it. So I'll read it out again, and we'll solve this as a class. I'll give you guys one to try in a few minutes here, okay? So it says here, when Homer Simmons hits a baseball, its height h after t seconds is h equals negative 5t squared plus 30t plus 1.5. Yes? Just hold on a sec, just wait, I'll come to you in a sec, okay? So it says here, what is the height of the ball when it is hit? Okay, Noah, go ahead. Good. When the ball's hit, very good, excellent. So what we're going to just do here is we're going to set t equals 0. All right, Spencer, oh sorry, let's structure answer a question.
I have a question. Would you give us units, or would we just not use them?
Probably wouldn't use it. What I could probably say height would be meters, okay? But again, for me, I'm not, I probably should be, but I'm not super picky on units. If they're not there, don't freak out, okay, about that. All right, so, Spencer, if t is equal to 0, what's my height going to be?
Whatever that answers out to, -5 plus 30 plus 1.5, I don't know.
Close, but no. Why is it 1.5, Alyssa?
Because you're having to y-intercept.
Very good. This is very much like the y-intercept here, right? If you think of t is equal to 0, you guys stay with me here. Stay with me. Right, remember this is the same idea as the y-intercept, right? Why am I going to pick on you? What's 0 squared going to be?
0.
Great. What's -5 times 0?
0.
Great. What's 30 times 0?
0.
Great. So what's 0 plus 0 plus 1.5? Good. Okay. And remember this, and again, I like Alyssa's explanation. It's the very same as the y-intercept. Now, since this is a word problem, Megan, if you were to say h equals 1.5, I would not be happy. What should I say instead?
Therefore, the height of when he hits the baseball.
Yeah. Right. Therefore, the height of the ball when he hits it is 1.5 meters. Yeah, I'm going to hit pause in the video because I tell a joke. That's a joke that I
Oh, I get
I
it.
use words instead of math when I talk to my mother. Yes, that's a joke. Letter B says, what is the maximum height of the ball? And how long does it take? Actually, what is the maximum height of the ball?
Would you do it like putting the square?
Yes, you would. Okay, now Karina, how can you tell me, what's the key word that tells you if you complete the square for this?
Well, it says what's the maximum height of the square.
What happened there? Oh my goodness. Ah, there we go. There. Okay, so maximum equals vertex. The key word to this is your maximum. So I'm going to hit pause in the video like everyone to find complete the square for this one. This one should be a nice one. So I picked it intentionally so it'll work out nicely. Yeah. Don't, just wait. So I'm going to pause in the video and then I'm going to get you guys a chance to try this one out.